Our teachers appreciate that every single one of us has a different style, and they want to see us do something different. They want to see us get out there and be ourselves, and they literally give us the tools to do that. I'm Brooklyn Huberty, and I'm a student in the Photography and Digital Imaging department. Here we get one-on-one time with our instructors. I realized once I got here that photography could actually be a career for me. We have 6 studios. We have gear available to us. No one's images are alike. You're actually carving your own path, and that's what makes our department so cool. We're always having photographers come in and speak to us. I just love being here. It's a lot of fun. Even right now when I'm in school, all my income comes from photography.